Today, we are diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy A35, a smartphone that's been creating quite a buzz in the mid-range market. Is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. The Samsung Galaxy A35, a successor to the much-loved A34, promises a plethora of features at an enticing price point. But does it deliver? Let's dissect its offerings. Starting with the design, Samsung has adorned the A35 with a sleek glass back, offering a premium feel. The incorporation of Gorilla Glass Victus Plus ensures enhanced durability, although the plastic frame and outdated bezels might leave some wanting more. The glass-heavy design makes for a more premium in-hand feel. It doesn't feel as premium as the Galaxy A55 or Samsung's flagship phones, as the frame is made of plastic, but a metal frame would have raised the price, so the plastic frame is not something we will complain about. What we will complain about are the bezels. Like the Galaxy A55, the Galaxy A35 has the same humongous bezels as last year's model. It just doesn't look right on any phone in 2024 and wish it was something Samsung had addressed. The Galaxy A35 has what Samsung calls Key Island, a raised part of the frame around the volume buttons. It doesn't really change or improve anything in a practical sense, and like other mid-range Galaxy phones launched since late 2023, the Key Island serves to distinguish the design from that of Samsung's flagship smartphones. Moving on to the display, the Galaxy A35 boasts a 6.6-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors and smooth transitions. The incorporation of Gorilla Glass Victus Plus not only enhances durability, but also elevates the overall viewing experience. Surprisingly, the device surpasses its advertised maximum brightness, offering excellent legibility under direct sunlight. While colors can be overly vibrant at times, especially in the camera app, the overall display quality is commendable. The stereo speaker setup ensures decent sound output for casual multimedia consumption, while it may lack in bass, the clarity and volume are satisfactory for everyday use. Equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera, the Galaxy A35 impresses with its outdoor photography prowess. The photos exhibit ample detail, good dynamic range, and accurate color reproduction. Low light performance is commendable, especially within faster solutions. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy A35 is a sensible choice in the mid-range segment. With its smooth display, competent camera, and reliable performance, it ticks many boxes for the average user. However, its battery longevity and charging speed leave room for improvement. Despite these drawbacks, the A35 offers a compelling package at an attractive price point, making it a worthy contender in its class. So, there you have it, folks. What do you think about Galaxy A35 5G? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching until next time, and I will see you in the next video.